Step 1. Remove headrests. Step 2. Use a screwdriver or key to press the small release hole next to the headrest stalk while pressing the larger height adjust button. This will release the headrest. Step 3. Pull the toggle at the top of the seat to fold the backrest forward. This creates space so you can fully remove the headrest. Step 4. Place the cover over the seat at the top corners. Step 5. Tuck all the plastic housing into the holes. Step 6. At the top corners, tuck the cover around the seat and fold the backrest down, then attach the elastic straps at the bottom corners together. Step 7. Undo the zip and move the cover behind the seatbelt, then redo the zip behind the seatbelt. Step 8. Push the cover down to the bottom of the backrest, aligning the holes to the buckles and gaps in the seat. Step 9. Pull the base of the cover over the front corners of the seat base. Step 10. Push the seatbelt buckles through the holes in the cover. Step 11. Use the toggle to lift the seat base up. At the side and back of the base cover, connect the elastic straps with clips together under the seat. Step 12. Reattach the headrests and slide on the headrest covers. Step 13. When attaching the headrests, start at the top back and pull the cover forwards and down.